You have to make the gravy and then put the raw fish papda into the gravy and then simmer it for some time, it is ready. But when you need to be fried like rui or katla, you fry it and then put it into the gravy. You can do that. So any fish can be put into this gravy.
কিন্তু রুই বা কাতলা কি এরকম ভাবে
you can marinate this অল্প তেলে একটু fry করে নিয়ে you fry it and then put it into the gravy. I will add little 2 chilies here.
রেড চিলি
Yeah, to get the flavor into the fish and some curry
কারি
leaves and some garlic and then lime juice, of course, lime juice. So when you give all this, the fish gets again a different flavor. The curry flavor has to be there in the fish.
মাছটা ভাজার সময় তার মধ্যেও একটু কারি পাতা দেওয়া হলো, একটু রেড চিলি অ্যাড করা হলো আর তার সঙ্গে গার্লিক।
Garlic, yes. So I think our fish is getting ready.
Fried.
Yep. And I
এবারে
will
এটা
see whether
পেস্টটা নিয়ে এসে এর সাথে অ্যাড করতে
the paste has gone for grinding. So I think it has come. This is the paste. All the spices which has been roasted, put it in the grinding with little water, and the paste is like this. Right? So we will add this paste after the fish is little fried. Nothing, just add this into the fish. And before that, there's another secret. We have some tamarind. Tamarind has been soaked in water and then strained, and this is the liquid of the tamarind. So to get that tanginess and that little
মানে হালকা
sourness,
একটু
we have to
খেতে হবে।
put little tamarind juice, like, and then what a flavor! I tell you, just beautiful. So this is ready, and then we'll dump all this gravy, gassi gravy into that, and that simmer. Lovely it is. See the flavor. I tell you, if you make this, until and unless you make this on your own and try it out, you will not get what is the original South Indian flavor to the gassi.
আচ্ছা, যারা আমাদের এই প্রোগ্রাম দেখছেন তাদের জন্য আপনি আরও একবার যদি বলে দেন যে কি কি ইনগ্রেডিয়েন্টস আপনি ইউজ করলেন এই পেস্টটা বানানোর জন্য।
Definitely. I will add some salt in this. Salt, just a little salt. And then for the final touch, garlic, little garlic, chopped tomato, 1 whole spoon of onion, and then again simmer and fold it so that the crunchiness of the onion and the garlic goes right at the end of the gravy. Normally, see, when you make a gravy, you have to add all this, so the garlic and the onion and the tomato flavor is there, when you. So before the dish comes out, I dump it and
কয়েকটা
just curry leaf
কারি
all
পাতা।
over, yeah. And some
কারি পাতা দিলে একটা অদ্ভুত গন্ধ আসে, কারি পাতার একটা
and
ফ্লেভার
some
আছে।
chili. That's it, and remove it. Switch off the oven, and this is gassi all about. To make this gassi, I'll tell you in short. Please take a paper and a pencil or a pen and write it immediately. To make this gassi, you can add any fish you want. Take all the spices, whatever spices you want, but their main spices are curry leaves, garlic, coconut, fenugreek, red chili, green chili, mustard. This has to be roasted properly, nicely. Once it is roasted, you put it for grinding with little water and make it into a paste. In the meantime, you fry the fish. While frying the fish, you add this paste into it and simmer it for some time. Then add chopped garlic, chopped tomato, and chopped onion, and sprinkle with curry leaves and green chili and finish it off. Lovely it is.
আর এটা ভাত দিয়ে খেতে আশা করি নিশ্চয়ই খুব ভালো লাগে।
Absolutely, this goes with rice only. But they have it with neat dhose, appam, idli, which I am going to show you in my next episode. And I feel that you all will love this. And if you don't like pangas, because I love pangas, I hope you will like it. But try this with different kind of fish, whatever you like. But prawn will be
আপনি যেমন
different
বললেন
big
যে
choice.
পাবদা মাছ দিয়ে করা যায়।
Yes, Pabda goes very well. Ilish also you can try. You can try this with ilish. It comes out very nice. It gives a different flavor because ilish has got a different flavor. So with this gravy, the different flavor and the ilish flavor and the stock of the ilish will give a different flavor to the whole gassi. Enjoy and have it with all your family members. Bon appetit.